Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start with a new topic, that is strategies for enhancement in food production agricultural sector part 2. I have divided this topic into various parts for convenience of those who are new to the subject biology. In this topic we are going to cover variety of crops resistant to microorganisms, pests, and lastly plant breeding for improved food quality. This is tabular format of various developed varieties of crops resistance to various disease. Himgiri is developed variety of wheat which is developed as resistance to disease like leaf and strip rust. Hilburn. Pusha Swarnim, also called as Karan Rai, is developed variety against disease like white rust. Pusha Subra and Pusha Snowball K1 is developed variety against disease like black rot and curl blight black rot. Pusha Komal is developed variety against disease like bacterial blight. Pusha Sadabahar is developed variety against disease like chili mosaic virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and leaf curl. Another major cause for large-scale destruction of crop plant and crop produce is insects and pest infestation, that is large-scale destruction caused by these insects and pests. Insects resistant in host crop plants may be either due to morphological, that is structure, biological, that is the chemical process, and physiological, that is their functioning. Source of a resistant gene of a developed variety may be either due to cultivated varieties or germplasm, that is their genetic resource collection of crop to be used, or their wild relatives. This is tabular format of various varieties of crop which is developed as resistance to insects or pest. Pusha Gaurav Aphids is developed variety of Brassica which is developed as resistance to destruction caused by aphids. Pusha Sem 2 and Pusha Sem 3 is developed variety of flat bean which is developed as resistance to destruction caused by jacids, aphids, and fruit borer. Pusha Savant and Pusha A4 is developed variety of okra, also called as bhindi. It is developed as resistance to destruction caused by shoot and fruit borer. A large population suffers from micronutrient, protein, and vitamin deficiency. It is also a form of hidden hunger because they cannot afford to buy enough fruits, vegetables, legumes, fish, meat, and other diet lacking essentials. Lack of micronutrients, particularly iron, vitamin A, iodine, and zinc, increase the risk for disease, reduce lifespan, and reduce mental abilities. To avoid such deficiency, techniques like biofortification, which involves breeding crops with higher levels of vitamins and minerals or higher protein and healthier fats, is the most practical means to improve public health. Breeding for improved nutritional quality is undertaken with objectives of improving protein content and its quality, improving oil content and its quality, improving vitamin content, and also improving micronutrient and mineral content. More advanced variety of maize hybrids that had twice amount of amino acid, lysine, and tryptophan, a form of amino acids that help in synthesis of protein, were developed compared to existing maize hybrids. Wheat variety, that is Atlas 66, having a high protein content, have been used as donor for improving cultivated wheat. It has been possible to develop an iron fortified rice variety containing over 5 times as much as iron compared to commonly consumed variety of rice. Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi, has also released several vegetable crops that are rich in vitamins and minerals. For example, vitamin A enriched carrot, spinach, and pumpkin, vitamin C enriched bitter gourd, batua, mustard, and tomato. Iron and calcium enriched spinach and batua. Protein enriched beans, that is varieties of beans which include broad beans, lalap. In Hindi it is called as seamfali. French bean, in Hindi it is also called as fansi, and garden pea. This was it for this topic. If you have any doubt, please mention in comments. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it and see you in next topic.